I'm John Rettinger, and this is the Volvo EX90. The Volvo Digital Key Plus turns your smartphone into the key to unlock, lock, and even start your EX90. So it's stored in your digital wallet, making it convenient for you, and like most current key fobs, no need to open the app. Simply having your phone with you in your pocket, your bag, or jacket, and your car will turn on and unlock when you approach, and of course, lock when you walk away. If you prefer, you can set the lock or unlock to be manual. Just click the car, then settings, and controls. Scroll to where it says locking, click view all, then turn off unlock car when approaching, lock car when leaving. No matter what mode you choose, the car will turn on automatically and you'll be ready to drive. Even if your phone runs out of battery, the EX90 has you covered. You can still use it to unlock the doors.